Now let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is about the development and use of computer system that learns and adapt without following explicit instructions. What that means is if you write a normal code in any language, you write if and else block or for loops and other thing. Computer program will take appropriate action or go in a specific condition based on your code. But in machine learning, it learns from the past data and take the action. So that is the difference between normal computer program and machine learning algorithms. Now let's talk about a little bit on the history of machine learning. Machine learning existed from year 1940 onwards, and in year 1943 first mathematical model on neural network was published. Since then, there was a lot of work happened in this technology, but with the recent advancement of the compute power, machine learning got a very big boost in early 20s to or 2000. And some of the examples or innovative example of machine learning includes Netflix recommendation. So you might have heard about Netflix or you may be watching it. So once you watch something on Netflix, it will give you similar recommendation that these are similar based on your interest, and also the self-driving cars. So these are some of the examples of machine learning. In machine learning, we use processed or clean data to train the computer model, which consists of complex algorithms that solves future business problems. And as a formal definition of machine learning, it is a technique to make computers or machine learn from the past data through the training and then apply the learnings to make informed decisions. Now let's try to understand the machine learning process as shown in the diagram. So we know that it takes the data as an input and it will learn from the past data. It allows or it applies various mathematical models, and then finally it will solve the business problem and give us the output. But now let's understand this using an example. Google Map is one of the widely used application. Whenever we want to go from one destination to another, we may use Google Apps or the similar applications. So, and this app or Google Maps will provide us with the information about the best route we can take. It will tell us what is the fastest route available, and it will also provide us with the traffic conditions, what all rest areas are near us, and it also tells us if there is any accident on the road or if there is any police car reported. So these are some of the informations it provides us. But did you ever think how Google provides us these informations? So for that, Google use many technologies, including machine learning, and it collects the information from different users. It analyzes it as like on a almost on a real time basis and update the information on our maps so that we know that there is a traffic congestion or there is an accident ahead on the route which we are going. So Google Maps or any kind of maps, either Apple Map or anything, these are all the application which uses machine learning.